Every day, it feels like the American worker is under attack. Yet every day we rise and do what tradesmen and women do. We build reliability, safety, and strength. We ask a lot of our vessels, and just as we answer the call, so do they.
Northwest winds around 10 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 8 a.m. this morning to 2 p.m. this afternoon. Impacts conditions will be hazardous to small craft. Inexperienced mariners, especially those operating smaller vessels, should avoid navigating in hazardous conditions. Isolated 20-knot gusts possible over the waters. Up to 20-knot gusts.
The harsh environments we put our vessels in are not just assumed or calculated.
Winds are expected
They're
to
tested by none other than ourselves. We are addicted to the hunt. We're inspired by the ferocity of the ocean, and we are relentless in our pursuits of building the best boats on the world. Join us. We are Raider Boats.